guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching again. As you can see, I'm surrounded by rockets because today we are at Kennedy Space Center. We're gonna have a look around, we're gonna see what there's to do here, and join me. The bus tour is gonna take you to the Apollo station.
Dawn of humankind. We've looked at the stars with wonder and amazement. Their glow guiding our travel for centuries. For the Apollo program, every Saturn V rocket that sent humans to the moon was assembled right here.
He have launched 3 Falcon Heavy from here, 15 Falcon 9. And that's a historical tower there. That's where the 12 men walked on the moon left from. 82 shell launcher, 9% grade level. Once you get up to the top, Lord, I used to drive the bus up in there. SpaceX came aboard, they said party's over.
Hello, astronauts. You can even touch a piece of the moon yourself. Welcome to the Apollo Saturn V Center.
You are now in the final minutes before the launch of Apollo 8. Right here, where it actually happened.
We have firing command. The firing command is in. We're now on the automatic sequence. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. On our steps, we are still low at this time. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Sequence start. Engines are on. 4.
This is an actual Apollo 5. It is huge. I walked a bit to the side here to see how big this thing actually is, but it's massive. It is so big. You can actually see some people walking way back there. You can see how big that really is. We're now on the other side of the Apollo. And this is actually where the astronauts would be in, and well, this is where they would carry down the moon vehicle here, and all of that is gas, so that's a huge bomb. Very safe. Well, on that little pod on the top, we have a model right here on the side, which is this. And you can look through the window and see how small that really is. Wow, these guys must have been so brave or so stupid. Again, the pod. Wow, that's cramped. So in here we can touch a little piece of the moon. A moon rock that was collected by Jack Smith. I don't see the year, but it was on the Apollo 17. We are inside the Lunar Theater, and this is about the moon landing.
Tranquility base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
Our destiny unfold.
That's one small step for man. One giant leap for mankind.
So this is the actual capsule of the Apollo 14. This went to the moon. Look how brown this one is. This started out the complete white that we saw earlier. This is all just burned up when it entered the, well, Earth. Fire and distress. So this is one of the moon pads that did not go to space, because it's here, you can see it. I believe they used this one for spare parts. I'm not completely sure. I'm gonna find out if I see a sign about that, because that's what I heard. Alright, well, I did not find a sign, but I believe that this one was completely functional, and then it didn't go to the moon, as you can see, because it's here. And then later on they used parts of this one to fix up the one that is on the moon. That's what I believe it is. And if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. This is our lunch at Kennedy Space Center. I got the... I was distracted, sorry. I got the green salad, which was $3.99 with ranch sauce and a hot tea, which was really cheap, I have to say. If you have a chicken sandwich, it's a salad, it's around $8. And then here is the chicken menu, which somebody already started, which was $7.80. And then these are ham or turkey, ham sandwiches, which were around 7-8 euros as well. It's the Apollo 1 tribute. We're standing with Virgil Gus Grimson. And here is his stuff.
Of wildlife and plants. Other than the few launch pads and facilities you see spotted across the horizon, this area remains a refuge.
This is the Atlantis building, the space shuttle. And here she is, the Atlantis. She's gone on 33 flights into orbit. 33. Still here. So awesome. The whole presentation with the movie and stuff, and then seeing the Atlantis is so well done. This is the cockpit of the Atlantis. Lots of switches and stuff. This is a Hubble telescope. Of course, not the real thing, because the real thing is in space, but this is what it looks like.
We can never stop
also huge. I mean, they got this into space, you know. This is your little bedroom in space. You have like a sleeping bag here. You can tie yourself to the wall. So it's like a sort of shower thingy. Here you have the Shuttle launch experience, where you can get into a ride vehicle, and it's gonna shake you up and down, I guess, and you can experience what it is to be launched in a space shuttle. Of course, this big baby is not gonna do that, but you can. These are the remembrance hallways of the Challenger and the Columbia. This side is of the Challenger. And there's some personal items of everybody in here. This is a part that is left of the Challenger. It's the left side body panel, and this happened on January 28, 1986. They also have a piece of the Columbia, which are the cockpit windows. That was February 1st, 2003. Astronaut of the day, Barbara Morgan.
Like, gravity sucks. But I'm delighted to be here. And I hate to say this, but if you guys will put down all the cans.
This is the rocket garden. The Astronaut Hall of Fame for the heroes. Lots of interactive exhibits, like this one is called Discipline. And then when you go in and you tap the screen, like this. Nope, like this. Then stuff starts to happen. You see lights, sounds.
Say which test they like, please.
That's a real tough one because we had some pretty...
United States Astronaut Hall of Fame. Wow. Those are many astronauts. This is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I had a terrific day here at the JFK Kennedy Space Center. John F. Kennedy Space Center, let me say that right. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. Hope you have a terrific day and wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys.